It is my pleasure to inform that we have conducted the chess competition in our school. Chess is a game that develops concentration, logical thinking, and a decision making skill. Every move teaches to think carefully and improve memory. In our school, our principal initiated and inaugurated the chess competition. Students were participated according to category wise under 13, 15, and 17. Student concentrated in the game and went to the level 1, 2, and 3. They were enjoyed well. Our principals gave prizes to the winners and runner-ups. Thus, we celebrated International Chess Day in our school very happily.
வணக்கம். செஸ் சதுரங்கம் 64 கட்டங்களை கொண்ட ஒரு சிறிய பலகையில் 16 காய்களை வைத்து விளையாடப்படும் இந்த ஆட்டம் பொறுமை, சிந்தனை மற்றும் திட்டமிடுதல் ஆகிய 3 முக்கிய குணங்களை நமக்கு கற்றுத்தருகிறது. சதுரங்கம் விளையாடுவதால் நினைவாற்றல் அதிகரிக்கிறது, கவனம், முடிவெடுக்கும் திறன் வளர்கிறது. தோல்வியை கண்டு துவளாமல் அடுத்த நகர்வை எப்படி சிறப்பாக செய்வது சிந்திக்க நம்மை பழகுகிறது.
Today I would like to speak a few words about chess. Chess is a game of strategy and intelligence played by two players. It teaches us to think before we act, improves our concentration, memory, patience, and problem solving skills. Just like in life, every move in chess matters and every mistake is a chance to learn. So, let us all enjoy this wonderful game and develop a sharp and disciplined mind.
Today I am here to speak about one of the oldest and most intellectual game in the world, chess. Chess was invented right here in India during in 6th century. It was known as Chaturanga. What makes us so special is that it requires no luck. It depends purely on your vision, patience and strategy. White always makes the first move, but every single move after that requires deep thinking. Whether you win or lose, every game teaches you a value lesson. I encourage everyone here to pick up a chessboard. Thank you.